So Ras, what's on the menu for this evening, man?
We Jamaican, we say blue jaws, but otherwise they call it the dukuno, you know?
So that's what's on the menu for this evening?
Yeah, some blue jaws.
Some blue jaws. Wow, so I see you already grated the coconut and you know what?
Grating some tough, nice, juicy banana.
Oh wow, that's awesome.
This is the dough.
Okay.
Remember guys, you're gonna take even one spoonful like this.
Okay.
Put it in the leaf and then you're gonna fold it. And then you fold the other side like this.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Manix Robinson TV, and we are back at it again. So viewers, guess what? Something is cooking in the kitchen. Look, the fire is blazing. You see how the firewood them are blaze? We don't call these guys fire stick, you know. These are not fire stick, these can't be sticks, these are firewood. Blazing, smells so nice and sweet, but this is what's going on. Hey dog, where you eating? Coconut? You eating coconut? What? So guys, see what's going on. So Ras, what's on the menu for this evening, man?
We Jamaican, we say blue jaws, but otherwise they call it the dukuno, you know?
Wow, so I see you already grated the coconut and you know what?
Grating some tough, nice, juicy banana.
Oh wow, that's awesome. So guys, you see it for yourself. Back in Ras kitchen, and he's about to make some blue draws, aka dukuno. Yeah, the fire is over there blazing up already, and he is preparing the ingredients. I got to see this because the last time I saw someone make this was my mother about 25 years ago. So to see it being made like this again, wow, it sure bring back memories. No joke about it. So Mr. Puppy, are you waiting on blue draws too? Come here. Hey. You waiting on blue? Where you gone? Where you waiting? You want dukuno too? Wow. You want dukuno too? Huh? You waiting on your blue jaws to puppy? What? The puppy want his blue jaws too. Wow. Unbelievable. I've never seen a dog eat blue jaws, so I'm gonna try to see. I'm gonna see if he's gonna heat a piece of blue draws, aka dukuno. Alright, so guys, as you can see for yourself, Ras is grater in a way, and guys, you see the grater that he's using. Any of you wonderful viewers can donate either a grater or a blender. He would really appreciate it to use in his kitchen. Yeah, don't joke about it, guys. A nice grater, or you know, things is modernized now, so if any of you can do a blender, that would be really appreciated. Yeah, look at that, guys.
Yeah, bro, so now we're going to put in the flour.
Okay.
Because this is necessary, you know?
Okay.
Mix up the nice and we're spicing it up now. We do the coconut already. Now we do the banana, so we just spice him up now. We put a little flour.
Yeah.
Vanilla. Little salt. Ice up with a little nutmeg.
A little nutmeg. Okay. Nice.
Can see nutmeg sprinkling on the flour.
Yeah.
Nice. Give it the spice and then thing.
Definitely.
Water jug my flame, I chef. From left one and full it up. You always have water in the kitchen. And me are the chef. Alright. TV, respect, loyalty. So now we're gonna add just a little brown sugar. You give it a little spice, cause you know Jamaican like taste of brown sugar. So you're gonna give it a little brown sugar and I change it. Kinda give it a little spice up, you know. And you're going to mix your dough. You call it dough. Put a little water in it and add it up like that. And spin in the coconut and your flour. So you have your coconut, you have your flour, and you have your banana, cinnamon powder, vanilla, and you have your nutmeg, and just a little tip of salt, and you that. While you put the pan in wood fire, they go and blaze, or you can even use a nice stove. So this is the dough. So mixing in it, mixing it so she got one flavor, whole heap of flavor in the blue jars. I know people like them blue jars when it's nice and thick. So this is the dough. Blue jars dough. Well nice. I can taste it too, you know. Cause I can't eat so. So you know if the flavor is not nice too. So that is the dough for the blue jar. Yeah.
So guys, right now, Ras, I get some banana leaf. Yeah, and the what?
The tire.
The tire?
Yeah, the tire.
Like
The lace.
Okay. Okay, so this is what you call this the what now? The tire? Okay. I need to see that. I definitely need to see that. So guys, Ras just get some banana leaf and some tire. Okay. So he's gonna show us the process. Cause this is new to me right here. This is definitely new to me. I remember seeing my mom make it, but you know the way of Ras is making it, it's a little bit different. Now I see him cut the banana leaf and see him get his tire. So he's gonna show us, walk us through the process what he's doing while the pot It's bubbling away.
The pot's already now, so we can put it aside because we have to get this together. We have to quail the leaf. You gonna what?
Quail leaf?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
You put your white fire like this and rub it and make it burn.
Okay. So you are quailing the leaves. Okay.
Roll it down, you know?
Yeah.
Inside here.
So guys, sometimes you see people making blue draws and they don't show you all the original process. You get in the real process of making a blue draws dukune. Look at that, guys. Ras Fras is quailing the banana leaves. Okay. Wow. Wow. So this is the quailing process of the banana leaf. Okay. So Ras Fras, why do they quail the banana leaves?
Because it's easier to tie.
It's easier to tie.
Yeah, it come like it get flexible.
Okay, okay.
Because if you not get flexible, you got tear like a piece of paper.
Okay, okay.
So you give it flexibility.
Okay, wow. I never heard nobody explain that before. Guys, I have learned something new. The reason why the banana leaf is quail is to give it flexibility that it won't tear, because you're gonna have to bend it and tie it. So let me tap the long talking. Let's see what he's doing, guys.
So right now we are preparing the holder for the dough.
The holder for the dough.
Yeah.
And
You have to put the dough in something before you put it in the pot, but there's a special something to put the dough in the pot, and this it is, the banana leaf.
the banana leaf. Okay, nice.
I'll prepare the first one now.
Okay.
You can see. Okay. Got the dough right here. Make sure you got the tie right here. A little bit like this now. This is the dough.
Okay.
Remember guys, you're gonna take in one spoonful like this.
Okay.
Put it in the leaf. If you want them big like some big caramel dumpling, you can do it. If you want them little, you can make them little, so you put a little bit of dough inside. And then you're gonna fold it. You fold the dough inside the banana leaf. You fold it. And you fold it. Okay. That one little, so you can even tear off a piece of the leaf like that.
Okay.
Fold it like this and you wrap it aside to keep the dough inside like this. And then you fold the other side like this. Okay. And you're gonna hold it like this and get the first time. Hold this ball. So this is what you use. Tie the dough together.
Okay.
Flick it. And you give it the tie like a shoes lace.
Okay.
Like this.
Yeah.
One more tie, that means they keep say too weird, so you cut them off.
Okay.
Them too long. If you tie up the laces too long, you can cut them off. Make sure it's well tied. So this is your blue jar.
That's the blue jaws. Okay.
So it's ready. The pot is ready. You put it in the pot to make it cook. Pot boiling. So you drop it in hot boiling water like this, guys.
Wow.
And that's your blue jar.
Wow, guys, you see that? You see that, guys? That's the blue jaws cooking right there. So Ras just show you the whole process, guys. From gratering, cutting the banana leaf, tire, coiling the leaf, giving the leaf flexibility, putting in the dough in the banana leaf, tie it up and put it in the pot. So we're gonna go through the process again. We're gonna do one more, you know. I like to see the process, you know, it bring back a lot of memories. But you know, growing up you didn't really take these stuff to heart. But now you really kind of appreciate these 100% Jamaican traditions. Yeah.
The same process. Wrap your dough. Wrap it like this.
So you're gonna need a tire, right? I already got one for you right here. It's not too long.
Good vibes.
I'm learning.
You like the good vibes. Thank you guys for supporting Manix TV, because I'm here supporting him also. The good vibe, good vibration. So this is another one, guys. Yes, bro.
Yeah, Papa. Okay. So that's another way of tying it also.
Yes, man. You just want to know, say the dough inside in cup.
Okay.
Yes, I know the dough inside the bag. And give him a night tie that the dough don't escape, you know?
Nice.
And you drop in a hot pot in set.
Set.
Like a caramel dumpling set in the pot.
Yeah.
So guys, this is another one. Big up Manix TV.
Nice.
Blue jars in a pot.
Blue jars in a pot. So guys, we got some breaking news. Some serious breaking news. The pot cannot hold all of the brew jars that Ras is making. So he has to draw for the backup. See what's going on, guys. Look at this. Look at this. So we have to draw for another pot because X blue draws for days. So we have to draw for one more pot so that all the blue draws then can get cooked. That's how we do it. Yeah. So guys, you never seen such thing before. Draw for the backup pot, 2 pot on fire. Cooking blue draws because the pot full cannot hold the rest, so we have to get another pot. See what we're doing? This is all natural cooking in the open outdoors. Look at that. Beautiful. So, see what's going on, people. Yeah. Even though night is coming down, guys, yo, the blue jars have to get cooked. Night coming down, not stopping the blue jars from getting cooked, guys. You see what we do? We draw for the light already. Yeah. Interesting, guys. There they are. Blue drawers. Yeah. Up in the hills in Rasfra's kitchen. Outdoor setting, guys. Beautiful. So, guys, Rasfra's take off the blue drawers off the fire. Guys, you can see these epic things happen. 2 pot of blue jars. Yeah, guys, blue jars for dinner tonight. Unbelievable. Cheers, guys. So Ras, what you saying? The jam ready?
Yeah, man, see now and then I water fi absorb that energy will come out of the banana leaf. So you drain them off and take them off for them cool and all, you know? Ready for your hot cup of chocolate tea.
Okay. Wow, I didn't know that. So you have to you don't let them sit in the water. You take them out there as quick as possible. Wow. Guys, look at that. Yo, link me up. My contact number is in the description. We can make it happen. You want to be up in the hills, underneath the breadfruit tree, the mango tree, listening to the peony wallies and drinking a nice, cool, refreshing red stripe beer. Contact number in the description, guys. No joke about it, guys. Guess what? Lasco vanilla milk tea.
Love you too, Daddy.
Blue drawers. Yeah, they're finally cool. Guys, I recommend don't try to eat these guys when they're hot. You will not have a good blue jar experience if you attempt to eat this guy while it's hot. It's preferable to let it cool off first before you enjoy it. So here we go. Let's beautiful. Thank you. Beautiful, guys. You can taste the coconut, the banana, the plantain, the vanilla, the nutmeg, the cinnamon, everything coming together to make this magically Jamaican authentic snack right here. Blue jars. Beautiful. Guys, stuff already with the blue jars.